Hi guys, it's Ivy here, and as you can see right now that I'm saying hi, I know, and I have the trash, yeah. I don't know why is the camera moving, and mind that I know, you can see my back. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this sticky tag thing, and I put it on the plastic bag. But yeah, and I also did a whole bunch of them, like markers. I also did a bands. I think I said it right, and it's stationary thing. So I put thing, yeah, whatever. And then flip books as well, like yeah. Now I'm just gonna show the materials, and take it so long. And the things you're gonna need is obviously plastic bag, scissors, and a little paper. I cut it out on the side of the whatever. And of course you're gonna need tape. I don't know what I'm doing there, so okay, so now I'm sorry that I'm moving the camera. I'm just trying to find the best way to obviously record. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna get the plastic first and then put it down, and then obviously get it off. Now I'm gonna get the little paper and then write the title for the thing, and then I'm gonna get the tape, and then just like right now, I come and rip it out, and that's the size of it. And I know I have a horrible thing right now. Then I try to put it as perfect as I can, as you can see. I kept on taking the tape out and on. Now I'm finished. I actually switched the bag, the plastic bag, and now I'm putting the tag on the plastic bag. And that's the finished touch to it. And obviously then I'm gonna put the tape inside the plastic bag, as you can see right there. And yeah. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share.